29 forecast.
Well, since last night, we've seen a couple rounds of showers and storms. We're not yet done. Matter of fact, a new batch is now beginning to roll in through Augusta County. If we take a look at the VDOT camera there in Waynesboro, you can see a wet Interstate 64. We'll get to radar in just a moment. There's the batch that came through around the 1 to 2 o'clock hour. And now watching another batch here working eastbound of the Alleghenies. We'll zoom in on some of the activity. You can see a thunder shower here with some heavier downpours in and around Waynesboro, out toward Lyndhurst, up toward Cremora along Route 340. That headed out toward the Crozet area as it crests the Blue Ridge. Some of those rainfall rates greater than ½ an inch per hour. Now we go out to the west. We did have earlier, when it was through West Virginia, a tornado warned storm. It just expired for northern Bath County, but still, that was the cell. Right now, it would track north of Craigsville and head out towards Swope and Christian in western Augusta County within the next half hour, but no longer under warning at this time. As we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow, there is a marginal risk that's low on the scale for severe weather east of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Out to the west, west of the Blue Ridge, a slight risk. Again, it's still a low-end risk for severe weather. It's not zero tonight and it's not zero tomorrow, but overall it's low, and it's a lot different as you get back to the Ohio Valley, the lower Tennessee River Valley, where you have enhanced to moderate risk levels. And you can see all the numerous tornado watch boxes, including for big cities like Cincinnati and the like. So that'll continue here for tonight. So for us, again, into tomorrow, it's still low end, but the main threat's going to be a damaging wind gust potential for some hail. That would be ½ inch or larger for severe, and while not zero, but still very low, an isolated tornado. What's helped us out today has been some of the temperatures. Again, a flood watch is in effect for the northern Piedmont until tomorrow afternoon. Those areas could see in excess of 2 inches of rain. Look at the temperatures right now. 55 in Madison. It's 61 in Charlottesville. That is the high temperature for the day. Meanwhile, areas like Stanton and Waynesboro made it into the low 70s this afternoon. So basically there is a front nearby, and we're either on the cooler side or the warmer side of that front, and disturbances are riding near that boundary. Temperatures tonight for all of us will fall back into the low and mid 50s. There will be some additional showers, some storms, and areas of fog. I think the wettest part of Wednesday is in the morning, and that's when we'll have more widespread rain, a few thunderstorms, isolated severe as possible. As we move into the afternoon, a lot of the activity will either redevelop or be pushing farther east of the Route 15 corridor. Temperatures here Wednesday afternoon in the low and mid 60s. Then we've got a breezy day on Thursday. We could still have an afternoon shower, but breezy conditions and cooler numbers will take us into the late week. Matter of fact, there's a snapshot of some of the wind gusts as we head into Thursday afternoon. So all the actions out to the west, we'll start to see some of that more shower and thunderstorm activity work in by morning, but we could still have some activity this evening. But look by early tomorrow morning, 4, 6, 7 in the morning, showers and thunderstorms. Again, isolated severe can't be ruled out. And then by afternoon, a lot of that's going to race off to the east. And then as we get into Thursday, we'll have breezy conditions. Matter of fact, some of the rain will be changing to snow out across the higher terrain of the Alleghenies. Showers, storm threat here tonight. Temperatures in the low and mid 50s, areas of fog. Wettest part of Wednesday is in the morning till about midday. And then we've got breezy conditions here for Thursday, along with a passing shower. Those morning lows will get much colder as we go into Friday and Saturday. Some frost potential during that time. Early spring and wild changes.
Yeah, you just got to expect it.
There you go.
Thank you so much, Eric.